Many people aim to become millionaires by age 30. They are driven by the desire for wealth, fame, and a secure future. However, this goal of amassing $1 million by a specific age can often be impractical and result in failure. While achieving millionaire status in your 30s or 40s is an admirable accomplishment, it's essential not to lose hope if you don't meet these milestones. The pressure to become a millionaire by 30 is based on unrealistic expectations, burdening young individuals with the need to accumulate significant wealth quickly. In many cases, people in their 20s have not yet established a clear career path. Striving to be a millionaire by 30 can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, as it implies the necessity to get rich very fast, which is far from easy. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected challenges like health issues and family matters can disrupt your financial plans. So, if you're fixated on the idea of becoming a millionaire by 30 and fall short, it can be emotionally challenging. Imagine being in your late 20s, checking your bank account, and realizing you're far from reaching the $1 million mark. The pressure can be intense, making you feel like you're falling behind while others seem successful in the financial game. However, it's crucial to recognize that most people never become millionaires, let alone by their 30th birthday. Even if you're making slow and steady progress, you're doing better than most. Have you checked out my awesome videos yet? Every week, I give you a short, entertaining video so you can easily learn about personal finance. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click that button and turn on notifications. Striving to become a millionaire is a worthy goal. However, it's equally important to acquire various life skills along the way. Instead of treating it as a race against time, think of it as a lifelong journey. Success means different things to different people. Some see success as personal growth, becoming the best version of themselves, acquiring new knowledge, and evolving as individuals. Others find success in building connections and relationships, valuing friendships, nurturing family bonds, and contributing to their communities. Some individuals define success as making a positive impact on society, whether through volunteer work, teaching, or inventing things that improve the world. For them, success is about the positive influence they have, rather than the possessions they accumulate. While financial wealth is one aspect of success, it's crucial to understand that many people find happiness and purpose through non-material achievements. While pursuing financial success is essential, it's equally critical to build a strong foundation in managing money, making informed investment decisions, and practicing sound financial judgment. It's about achieving financial security. When you prioritize financial literacy, you gain the tools to make informed decisions about budgeting, saving, and investing, among other aspects of money management. Budgeting, in particular, is a fundamental skill that helps you allocate your income wisely, ensuring you can meet your essential needs while saving for future goals. Without this skill, you may struggle to keep your finances in order, leading to stress and instability. Making informed financial decisions is another aspect of financial literacy. This involves evaluating financial options, understanding the consequences of loans and credit, and planning effectively for retirement. Without this knowledge, you might make choices that harm your financial well-being, such as accumulating high-interest debt or not saving enough for the future. Rushing to accumulate wealth by a certain age carries the risk of neglecting these vital life skills. A high income can be beneficial, but poor financial management can lead to unforeseen setbacks, leaving you in a precarious financial situation. Striking a balance between pursuing financial success and developing financial literacy is essential. It's valuable to invest time in acquiring the knowledge and skills necessary for effective wealth management. Finding the right balance is key to a well-rounded life. Often, people get caught up in the idea that money is the only path to happiness, like chasing an elusive pot of gold that promises eternal bliss. However, reality doesn't always align with this belief. Some of the wealthiest individuals in the world are evidence that money, while useful, doesn't guarantee happiness. Having all the wealth but feeling like something is missing is like wandering in a vast desert with no oasis in sight. Happiness is multifaceted, and financial success is just one piece of the puzzle. On one side, some people live for the moment, enjoying the thrill of the present and seizing the day. It's like an endless celebration without much thought for the future. On the flip side, there are those who work relentlessly, prioritizing making money and saving for a rainy day, but often missing out on life's beauty along the way. Their journey becomes a frantic sprint, leaving them breathless as they chase the ever-elusive dollar. The real secret is finding a comfortable middle ground, recognizing that money is essential but not the sole recipe for a fulfilling life. Life encompasses various aspects, including career, family, health, personal growth, and leisure. Overemphasizing early financial success can lead to burnout, strained relationships, and a diminished quality of life. Unfortunately, Many people struggle to find this balance, focusing too much on immediate enjoyment without considering the future. Achieving a comfortable equilibrium among diverse aspects of life is the genuine definition of success. Working a 9-to-5 job isn't just acceptable, it's a valid choice for people with different lifestyles and aspirations. The idea of breaking free from conventional work hours and pursuing unconventional careers is often glamorized. However, a stable 9-to-5 job provides financial security, regular working hours, and a clear boundary between work and personal life. It offers a structured routine that provides comfort for those who value predictability. Additionally, 9-to-5 jobs often come with benefits, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid time off, contributing to overall well-being. It's essential to recognize that success and fulfillment can be achieved in various career paths, with a traditional job offering as much contentment and satisfaction as other professional pursuits. Furthermore, your 9-to-5 job can serve as a valuable platform for building the life you desire. By leveraging the stability and income it provides, you can invest in your passions, pursue personal growth, and work toward your dreams outside of working hours. Whether you aim to save for a dream vacation, fund your business venture, or achieve the financial security needed to explore other interests, a 9-to-5 job can provide the resources and structure to shape the life you envision. It's about making the most of the opportunities it presents to construct your desired future incrementally. While the idea of becoming a millionaire by age 30 may be enticing, it's essential to understand that this isn't a universally applicable or sustainable goal. Success should be defined based on individual values, circumstances, and aspirations. Instead of succumbing to societal pressures, individuals should focus on nurturing their passions, acquiring financial literacy, and adopting a comprehensive approach to life. In doing so, they can chart a path to success and happiness that transcends age-based or financial benchmarks. It's about taking life one day at a time, focusing on steady, incremental progress across various facets of life. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more finance tips and insights. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay financially savvy and take care.